Smart glasses are revolutionizing how we interact with technology. They blend style with functionality, offering features from real-time translation to hands-free calling. Today, we're counting down the top 5 smart glasses that will upgrade your daily life and keep you connected. Number 5. Coming in at number 5, we have the AI smart glasses, with real-time translation support for an incredible 160 languages. Imagine traveling to any country and understanding conversations instantly without pulling out your phone. These glasses feature a built-in microphone and high-quality speakers that deliver crystal-clear audio for both calls and music. The translation happens in real time, making international communication effortless and natural. Whether you're attending business meetings abroad or exploring new cultures, these glasses break down language barriers instantly. The lightweight design ensures all-day comfort, while the rechargeable battery keeps you connected for hours. Perfect for travelers, international business professionals, or anyone who loves connecting with people worldwide. For those interested in purchasing this product, the link is available in the description and comments below. Number 4. At number 4, we have wireless smart glasses designed for outdoor travel and hands-free communication. These glasses excel at making your adventures more connected and convenient. The wireless audio delivers impressive sound quality, whether you're listening to music during a hike or taking calls on the go. The built-in microphone captures your voice clearly, even in outdoor environments with wind or background noise. What makes these stand out is their focus on active lifestyles, built to handle movement and outdoor conditions while maintaining premium audio. The rechargeable battery provides extended use throughout your day, and the comfortable frame means you can wear them for hours without discomfort. Ideal for hikers, cyclists, runners, or anyone who wants to stay connected outdoors. Check the description and comments for the purchase link. Number 3. Moving to number 3, we have the 2025 wireless smart glasses featuring revolutionary auto-dimming lenses that adapt to changing light conditions automatically. This is a game changer for anyone moving between indoor and outdoor environments. The auto-dimming technology protects your eyes from bright sunlight and glare while maintaining perfect visibility indoors. Beyond smart lenses, these pack high-resolution audio rivaling premium headphones, delivering rich sound for music and clear voice for calls. The built-in microphone uses advanced noise cancellation, ensuring your voice comes through perfectly in noisy environments. Whether driving, working, playing sports, or going about your routine, these adapt seamlessly. The ergonomic construction and premium materials ensure durability and comfort for extended wear. With a rechargeable battery lasting through busy days, these are perfect for professionals and outdoor enthusiasts. The purchase link is in the description and comments. Number 2, taking the number 2 spot, we have smart glasses, featuring blue light filtering and polarized lenses. Essential protection for modern digital life. If you spend hours in front of screens, these are a must-have investment in your eye health. The blue light filtering reduces eye strain, headaches, and sleep disruption from prolonged screen exposure. The polarized lenses eliminate glare from reflective surfaces, perfect for indoor work and outdoor activities. The low latency audio ensures zero delay between video and sound, crucial for video calls, content watching, or gaming. Built-in mic and speakers deliver quality communication, while touch controls and voice assistant compatibility make operation effortless. With 5-hour battery life, these keep you protected throughout your workday. The rectangular frame suits various face shapes and adds a professional look, perfect for remote workers, gamers, or students. The purchase link is in the description and comments below. Number 1. And claiming the number 1 position, we present the Smart Translator glasses with real-time translation in 145 languages. These represent the pinnacle of wearable translation technology, making global communication effortless. Whether closing international deals, studying languages, or exploring cultures, these provide instant, accurate translations. The anti-blue light coating protects your eyes, while hands-free calling keeps you connected. Music playback delivers rich audio, turning your glasses into premium headphones. Long battery life lasts through international flights and business days. Compatible with smartphones and PCs, they integrate seamlessly. The lightweight design means you'll forget you're wearing them. Perfect for business travelers, language learners, or anyone communicating across barriers. These don't just translate words, they open doors to genuine connection across cultures. The purchase link is in the description and comments. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos, share them on social media, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.